So for this question, the question from the topic of trigonometry function at Maths Form 5. So now we have the equation cosine 80 degree plus 2x equals to sine 40 degree plus x. We have to solve this equation for the given range. Alright, so when we observe the equation carefully, you can see that cos 80 degree plus 2x can be written as cos 2 times 40 plus x. It means that you can write it like as 1 minus 2 sine square 40 degree plus x. We don't need to expand the term from this, right? We just use the trigonometric double angle formula, and then since we know that this one is identical with this, and we can substitute this equation, okay, we can write it as 1 minus 2 sine square 40 degree plus x equals to sine 40 degree plus x. And then we write it as the quadratic equation in the form of, in the term of sine 40 degree plus x. Now, you can see here, this one is actually x squared, and this one is x. So, the form of this equation just satisfies the form of the general quadratic. We call it as the pseudo-quadratic equation. So, to solve this kind of equation, we can let sine 40 degree plus x as u, or whatever variable you want to use. So it will be as 2u squared plus u minus 1 equals to 0. Then we do the factorization. 2u squared, negative 1, and 1u. So 2u squared is the multiple of 2u and u. And negative 1 is the multiple of negative 1 and 1. So 2u multiplied with 1, we will get 2u, and u times negative 1 is negative u. So we total negative u plus 2u, and we will get u. So our factorization is 2u minus 1 times u plus 1 equals to 0. And then we use the zero product property. 2u minus 1 equals to 0, or u plus 1 equals to 0, u equals to 1/2, u equals to negative 1. So for u equals to 1/2, we have sine 40 plus x equals to 1/2. So you can solve for x in the range given. For u equals to negative 1, sine 40 degree plus x equals to -1. So you can solve the equation in the range given. So that's all I want to show you, the step of the solution, the step to solve this kind of question. Thank you.